Yeah, stood up. Chain when they come. All stun. Full damage in the buffs. Wala pa ba si Scout at the gate? Be at the gate, Scout.
Dito na ako sa ano, gate.
Okay. Silence. Go behind second mob.
Okay.
Gusto kong di i-full clear yung big room. Can we? I mean, we can do, ano naman eh. Yeah, let's skip this. We can fast clear the priestess, so sure din ako na walang pumasok dito. I know, Scott, you went deep, right? Saan ka dumaan?
Bandang northeast.
May na-aggro ka?
Nope.
Wala, okay, okay. Ano ba to? Dito? Focus on the Spellweaver first. I'll stun, full damage on the buffs. Link, please, the Spellweaver. Silence now, in the middle, if you can, I think. I'll stun again. G... Kaya ba GA now? Thank you. Teka, yung settings ko pala pang ano, PPP pa. So, makita yung buhay nila. Uh, okay. Sorry, excuse me. Scout, di ako nag-loot so you can loot my, loot bags. Yeah, guys, please rotate your jacket. Okay, first jacket will be GA, second jacket will be off deck. Okay. I'll stun, full damage on the buffs. Focus on the priestess, guys. Unahin niyo yung babae. Sorry, di masyadong clumped. Sino kasi yun? Silence now. In the middle, please. I'll stun again. Okay. Just GA. I'll stun. Off tank, ace in the crown. Thank you. Silence now. Silence. Okay. I'll stun again. Kill it. Wait. GA. Okay. I'll stun, full damage. Oh, sino ba? Malayo ba yung gap? Silence, sorry. Malayo ba yung gap? Ah, I'll stun, kill it. Hmm. Okay, di masyado malayo yung agwat. Top DPS will get free RLT. Ano ka ba naman, Michiro? Nakakahiya ka. Ayusin mo. It's like, ano ba percentage gap niyo? 0.3. 0.3. Shame on the count. All stun, full damage in the box. Thank you for the AC. Silence. Free RLP na naman to si Ethan. Uy, di ka na nadadown na. Pinataasan ko na yung ano ko. At yung tawag dito. Traction. Gagi talaga, guys. All this time, I've been running raids. Tapos di ko alam na yung traction ko ang baba pala. Kaya, tapos biniblink ko pa yung DPS. GA now? Like, yung last raid ko lang napansin. Yeah, it was yung ano, last yung kasama ka Ethan, silence now. Ikaw yun, know, nag-dun ko na, after the run na, yung sinecheck ko na yung lahat ng gears ko, I was repairing my gears, sinecheck ko, all this time. And I thought my version was okay. Wala namang nagre-reklamo, no one's calling me out, so it's not my fault. Pati si Piwo, walang sinasabi. Sabi ko, okay, hindi ko kasalanan. Innocent mind. Shay now? O nagreklamo ka, ba't di mo naman sinabi it was because of my threat dyan? Di ko kasi alam. Di ko nga nakita kasi yung ano ko is silence now. Wah! Ano ba naman yun? Why okay, fine. Fine, joke. Skill issue, Nobita. Skill issue. Thank you for the GA. Buti pa yung GA ko, may initiative. Di ako nag-call. But, yeah, that was that time. Don't drop if I don't call for GA, pero okay lang yun. So, yun nga, ang tanga ko. Pero sige lang, si Ethan lang naman yung namamatay eh. Saka naka-free RLP ka naman, so it's good. Sheena, all stun, full damage. Shit, what's this? Silence. All stun again. I fuck, sorry. So I switched to boss fast. Iron Root, say Iron Root. Off that silence. Enigmatic, one hand. Kailangan pa ba? Can we go second silence? Oh yeah, pwede naman ata, diba? Wait. Ano nga yung song? Hmm. Teka lang. Ano na lang, Nobita, stay frazzle. Spam mo lang yung frazzle mo. Do you have another cleanse other than that? I think Iron can go cleanse and GA can go cleanse. Nobita, go frazzle. No need to go, I know, cleanse. Okay lang naman, di ba? Assassinhood cleanse tsaka yung ano, Assassinhood cleanse and Iron Root cleanse. GA in one hand, go frazzle. Okay na yan. Okay, I'm starting the boss. Ready cleanse now. Okay. This one go. Okay. Ready off tank now. Link. Okay. This one. Oh, nung don't link. Gago ka ba? Let's check it. Ready off tank. No. Okay. Nice and good. Who's feeling lucky? Ako, hindi.
What?
Okay.
Pinatay niyo.
Inang yan. Huwag ka na magbukas, Ethan. Ang baho.
Bam puta.
Visit ka. Tapos wala pang naman yung second floor. Ang malas mo, Ethan! Doggy. Okay, switch to Bob Gears, guys. Yes, I need to kill the one before the first gate. Ako nga rin eh. Wala na ako sa ba, actually. Is my GA ready?
Not yet. 3 seconds pa.
Lin, 2F
Yes,
na ba
yes.
to? May
Go,
na-agro.
go, go.
Yeah, okay lang. 2F na ka lang.
Sige, sige, sige.
Uy, di matan. Bobo! Gago, GA. Oh, fuck. So, it's fine. I'll try to stun. Oh my god, sorry guys. Fuck. Teka. Calming. Reset muna. Go back. Sorry. Tumigas yung kamay ko. Sorry. Again. See this again.
Jacket.
Sige, ikaw na mag-ring. GA. Thank you. I'll stun. Full damage to the buffs. Silence. I'll stun again. Nice. Okay, break gate. Scout, we're breaking gate na. You can start
Ay.
looting. Go lang.
Saan side kayo dumaan?
When you can aggro
Center.
anything. But northeast.
Yeah. Okay na naman eh. Then your skip yours, guys. Aw, namatay. Joke na, Jenny. Guys, be careful you're the one skipping. Don't die on this. Okay, hold nga muna. Sabay tayo. Hold. Hold. Sabay. Everybody's here? Wait lang. Just hold, guys. Let's wait for everybody. Okay, I'll go in first. I'm calming this. What are you calming? Okay. Scout, you're gonna break second gate now. You good?
Okay. Yep.
Oh, Jojo's gonna die. Okay, wait up.